welcome back to my channel, guys. This amazing hair, which is a closure, is from LUVMEHAIR. And you guys, this is not glued. Look at this. Look at this. So keep on watching if you want to find out how to do this.
She just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a review on another LUVMEHAIR wig. You guys know how I love them. So this is the wig out of the bag, but before then, let me just show you guys some stuff that I got, like the wig cap and also this bag that has a whole bunch of goodies in them, but we'll use that later. So for now, let's focus on this hair because I know that's what you guys are here to see. So I'm taking it out of the bag. This is my first time seeing it with you guys also, and this is how it looks like right out of the bag. And you can tell that the lace is so nice and HD, and you guys know how much I love me an HD lace. Look at that on my hand. Like, you can tell that it's super HD because it's matching with my skin tone already. So inside there are 4 combs, one at the bottom, 2 on the side, and 1 in the middle. And this right here that I'm taking out is a adjustable band. So this is perfect because this makes the wig as tight or as loose as you want it to be. Especially for me, I will be wearing this wig without any glue or without any spray, so it's really important to do that. So I'm going to put it on, and this is just a demonstration on how to put it on. It's kind of like putting on a bra strap, to be honest, so this is really, really easy to do. And now I'm putting on the wig, and it's really, really nice. So what I really like about it is that I don't have any bleaching of the knots to do or any plucking. This hair is really, really good right off the bat. But you know, we have to customize it. So we're going to make sure that the lace is the same color as my forehead. This is the length of the hair, if you were wondering. It's really, really nice. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that. Alright, and now I'm taking off the wig and I'm going to put it on my mannequin head. So this is the way that I like to customize my wigs. I like to put them on mannequin heads just because I will be using a hot comb, and although sometimes I do use the hot comb on my actual head, there is more of a chance that you will burn yourself, so I don't really recommend that. So before I put the hot comb, I'm going to put my Garnier Fructis serum, and this is going to protect the hair from heat. You don't want to burn off your hair, you guys. And yes, this is completely human hair. Sorry, so I forgot to pin it down, so I will be doing that. But yes, it is human hair, but even your real hair needs a heat protectant so that you don't damage the hair, okay? So I'm just putting that all over the wig, and then I'm going to put the wig cap back on the mannequin head and pin it down. So now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm going to put it all over the front of the hair, and this is even more for it to not only protect the hair but also for the hair to be going in the proper direction that I want it to go. So I'm going to put the wax stick in the same direction that I will be putting the hot comb. And now I'm going to take my hot comb and do the exact same motion. And this is a very important step because this step really makes your hair look like it's nice and laid. I don't really like it when my hair is like too poofy. So yeah, this step is really, really crucial to making your hair look like how those professional people do it. You stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never And you can definitely see the difference between the two sides. Like one side is nice and laid and one side is just kind of like meh, you know. And this is how it looks like when I do it on both sides. So now it's time to make sure that the lace blends in with my skin tone. So I take my Fenty bronzer in the color, I think it's Espresso, I may be wrong, I think either Espresso or Mocha, but make sure you use whichever color is closest to your forehead. My forehead is darker than my face, so I don't use my foundation color. I use whatever my forehead color is. And then I take a flat brush and I put it on there, and as you see, this is how I put it on the lace. And this will make sure that the lace is nice and blended with my skin tone. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're focusing on the hairline, because I mean, I'm putting it all over the lace, but I don't really actually need to do that because I'm going to cut most of that lace. But I put on the wig and you'll see the difference. Like, look, you see how it, yeah, my pampas grass, always in the way. But you see how it looks like it's the same color, like you can barely see the lace, okay? It's nice and laid, and I'll put a before and after picture as usual so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So you can definitely tell that, you know, the left side, you could see the lace, the right side is really blended in, and the hair looks so much nicer. All right, so now it's time to cut the lace. You guys, I brought my big old scissors, okay? I couldn't find my eyebrow scraper, which is what I usually cut it with, but I have my big scissors and it still works. So as you saw, I cut it in an up and down motion. And I never cut it just in a straight line because that doesn't really make it blend as nice. So make sure you kind of cut it in a zigzag motion. And I put the wig back on, and look at that, you guys. Like, what? It looks so good. We didn't glue it. We didn't do anything yet. You guys, LUVMEHAIR is just, I can't deal. They never let me down. But what I'm going to do is, as you see, I'm sliding off my wig cap because I don't have time to blend it. So I'm just going to take it off, and as you can see, it still looks nice without the wig cap, but I do have my hair braided under, so make sure you braid your hair nice and flat under so that it doesn't look too poofy. And yeah, this is how it's looking, and you can tell I am feeling myself. But now I'm going to do some baby hairs. But actually, before I do the baby hairs, I'm just going to perfect the top. So you see how the top is kind of still poofy? So I'm just going to go over it with my flat iron and the hot comb also. You gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. All Alright, so this hair came with an edge brush, so that's what I'm going to be using, and a mirror. So I'm going to be using that to do my baby hairs along with the melting bag that it came with. So as you can see, I'm just parting a little section over here. And by the way, baby hairs are completely optional, but I like to do it because it really makes your hair go from like closure to full frontal, like it looks like you have a frontal. So that's why I like to do baby hairs on a closure. And usually I take my eyebrow scraper, but what I'm going to do is take my big old scissors and cut it. And I'm gonna try not to cut it in a blunt cut, but as you can see, like I kind of like shaved it off, if that makes any sense. And then I'm going to take my mousse, and then I'm just going to put that on there and comb it down into my baby hairs. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay.
Alright, you guys, so this hair is looking the bomb.com, okay? Or is it bomb.com? I don't know. But yeah, no, I am in love with this, you guys. And we didn't put any glue or anything, nor am I planning on putting glue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the headband it came with, and I'm just going to put it down, melt it down without any glue. And I'm going to leave it for a little bit so that it is nice and melted on my forehead. I was gonna say brain. Melted on my forehead. And yeah, so I think this is about 15 minutes later. I did what I needed to do, and I'm coming back and taking it off. And just look at this, you guys. Let me zoom in for you. This is so beautiful, you guys. I am loving it. And look at this. I can take a comb and I can put it right in between, and it's just amazing. So you could really just take this off at night and put it right back on whenever you want to, okay? And yeah, shout out to LUVMEHAIR, you guys. I love doing reviews for them. Like I told you guys, I spend my own money on LUVMEHAIR a lot of times, and that's because they're probably one of my top favorite hair companies. And right now I'm doing the shedding test, and I think only one came out, just one strand. And I've had this hair for about, I would say, 2.5 weeks now, and the hair has not shed since. So I am very much satisfied with this hair. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. All the info will be in the bottom, in the description bar, I mean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.
Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. that good, good love.